Report bookmarks are similar to personal bookmarks. However, unlike a personal bookmark, these weren't created by you, a user. These were created by the report author, and therefore they're sort of accessible to everybody. So they behave pretty similar to personal bookmarks. They're just set up ahead of time. So if I want to use one, assuming that any are set up, I could come up here to Bookmarks, open this guy up, and down here at the very bottom, underneath where we added a personal bookmark, underneath that it says Show More Bookmarks. So I'm going to click on that, and I do have access to my personal bookmarks, just like I had before, sort of up here in this, right there. But I also have access to these report bookmarks. So I'm going to go ahead and twirl those open. Okay. Now these are going to be the kind of thing, they're only really generally going to make sense if a report author sets them up sort of for you or for a group of people. It's possible that they'll have report bookmarks that you don't really want to use because they're a bit too behind the scenes. But if they set these things up for you, these can be a really convenient way to sort of jump to different selections. So let's say for this particular report, what we care about is being able to jump between bachelors that are skilled labor, high school graduates with management, graduates with that do work in clerical, and graduates to do work in management. And I guess I should say different combinations of this slicer over here and this slicer over here. Well, we've just got those bookmarks set up. So I could go ahead and click on this, jump to that selection, click on this, jump to that selection, click on this, jump to that selection, and click on this, jumps to that selection. Okay. Now one thing I do want to add, like I'm going to come up here and click on this first one. One thing I could do is I could click on this view button, right? And if I click on the view button, it sort of opens up this new, almost PowerPoint-like mode where each one of these bookmarks acts as almost a slide, right? So down here at the bottom it says bookmark 1 of 4. I can now use the arrows to sort of jump from bookmark to bookmark to bookmark. And keep in mind that these bookmarks can sort of go across pages. So if you wanted to set up a Power BI report for a more formal presentation, you could do it with a whole bunch of bookmarks and then have this mode open up view, and then just sort of jump between the bookmarks that you care about. Now, obviously, you can do that with report bookmarks. You can also, let me hit the exit button here, you can also do that with personal bookmarks. So here in personal bookmarks, I'm going to hit that same view button, the view button. Now, this will only scroll through personal bookmarks, but that's fine. That's probably what we want. So right now, I'm on the first bookmark that I created, Bikes in North America, if you'll remember. I can click this arrow right here, and it goes to the next bookmark, Clothing and Pacific, the next one that I have set up, right? And if I'm all done, I can just hit this X button and it will exit viewing mode. And that's how you work with bookmarks, personal and report bookmarks inside of Power BI.